Video I'm going to show you how you can create dotted curved lines, dashed curved lines and simple curved line. So first we will open our Canva project. If we see in Canva there are some lines, as we will see that. So here are the lines. If you can click on it, so you can move it all around, but you can't rotate these line. So I will show you how you can easily make curved line. First we will go to the text option. Here I will make dots like this. I will select this and now go to the effects option, and here is the option curve. So you can make a curve of dotted line. You can adjust it by the slider. So you can adjust its curve by dragging it from left to right. So you can also invert this from moving the cursor by left like this. So this is the dotted curved line. Now we will create a dashed curved line. Again we will go to heading, and there is a option on your keyboard dash. So I will press the dash button, and here is our line created. Again we will go to the effects option and we will select curve option, and you can adjust the curve by moving from left to right. Now we will make a simple curved line by pressing the shift button and dash line, and again we will go to the effects option. Here is a curve option, but there you can adjust it also by, you can make a curve, but if you invert it, it makes a dotted line. So it's a problem. You can also change it by rotating like this. Here you can also change the color of this line. If you don't like this color, I will go to the text color, and you can also change the color of your lines like this. If we go to the effects option, so there are some others option you can try with this. There are hollow and splice options, so you can also adjust the thickness and offset and directions, etc. As we can see the other lines also. So here are the different options, so you can play with these. You can make outline and can change the color of your lines. So this is the simple way to make a curved lines in Canva. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe my channel for more Canva tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.